Project Files tab is the third tab in the Advanced Options panel that lets you create or load project files. The panel is toggled by clicking on the Advanced Options button in the NavigateLA ribbon. A project file consists of your home map environment, including the displayed map extent, the layer definitions, and all the markups or graphics of your current map. In this example, we have a map environment that we want to save as a project. To do so, name your file in the File Name box and press Download. A file with the extension nlaprj will download to your computer, which you can reload or share. To load a project, browse to your file location and press Load Project. The project is restored to its original settings, including the map extent, layer on-off definitions, and markup graphics. Alternatively, you can drag the nlaprj file directly onto the NavigateLA map, and it will load automatically. By default, all existing markups are cleared whenever a new project is loaded. All markups associated with the new project are then added. This feature can be turned off by unchecking the Clear Existing Markups on Load box before you load the project. We've now covered the Project Files tab in detail. If you forget anything that's been discussed, you can click the Help button on the top right corner of the Advanced Options panel to refresh your memory. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you'd like to submit a comment or question or report a problem, feel free to contact us at the email shown on the screen, eng.navisupt@lacity.org. Thanks for watching.